Hello again, that's Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and we're going to do a page kit that I put together. So this one I actually started. I just found this. I never finished it. So it looks like I was using some stuff up. I've got all kinds of stuff sitting over here. But that looks more like Vicky stuff, but just kind of looks, actually it looks like just kind of a cross between them, doesn't it? This is when I was getting tired of consistently using these collections, which I do quite frequently. But I've got all this fun stuff to work with. Let's go ahead and create some shakers. I'm pretty sure something just broke. Yes, it did. Okay. Just gonna move along because I'll be sad. Find some sequins with the... I knew I had something in there. We're going to go ahead and use that one. And I don't think I have any others. I already missed this company. But we can do that. I got to get enough. Look at that. We'll use those 3 collections. I don't know which one broke. Well, I know which one broke. Only the one. Alright. So, I'm going to make some shaker packets. And then I'm going to do that off screen because it's pretty darn boring. But I have all these flip flaps, you guys, from Close to My Heart that I don't use. I'm never going to use. I don't care to do the flippy of the flappy. So I use this for my protective layer. So I'm going to create those with a mix of these. And then I will come back after I clean up this mess on the floor. And we have shaker pockets made. And we will embellish this layout. Alright, so we've got the shaker pockets on. I did go ahead and put the happy. And then we're just going to stick times in here. B is just going to keep doing that because that's what she does. Because it's wow. And there's snow and there's people outside playing. And she's just, oh, this is not her thing, right? She doesn't like that. I'm going to get this on here, right on that shaker pocket. I'm going to go ahead and take this guy, the Hubs is cleaning. I'm just going to connect that. Bring these florals. That. A lot of these were fussy cut, right? So. All kinds of fun things. Excuse the yawn. We're just going to keep adding up florals until I feel like it's okay. Nope, we'll use those for a different thing some other time. I don't want this big flower. I'm just going to rip that to make it fit. There's all kinds of stuff on here. And I'm just going to keep adding the little floral pieces. Okay. And get this one tucked in there. And then we have these fun little buttons. I think actually we'll go with glue for this one. I'm just going to start tucking these in and around. So we have a ton of them. I don't trust the adhesive, so we're just gonna pop in a little glue here and there. And one more. And I actually think we'll end up adding these guys. Just a little bit on the all right, and that's gonna do it. So we're gonna go ahead and take this, stick it in our baggie, which is where I did pull a lot of those ephemera bits. And we're gonna stick this back with the other pack, and that's with my normal kit. And that's gonna do it for today, you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Come back soon. Watch me use all my stash, and let me know if you're doing a stash busting month into 2025 as well. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.